Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out. In front of me, I don't want to say behind me, in front of me is a 2008 Jeep Wrangler X 3.8 liter V6 4x4 off-road beast, equipped with everything you would want in an off-road machine. Starting with Aries fender liners for the front and rear. Okay, off the rip, you can see it's got a little lift kit on it, nothing too crazy. Right, Rancho, dual steering stabilizer arms, shocks, as you can see. Underneath, we got a oil pan, rock guard, climbing guard, whatever you want to call that sucker. Full exhaust, or not full exhaust, but it's got the cat. I'll show you on the back here. Step rails, just got some goodies everywhere. Single chamber muffler all the way out the back. Slip on right there. So as you can see, the underside is good. It's a Southern Jeep. The rockers are nice and clean. Southern Jeep Wrangler X. It's trail rated. Don't get it confused. Open the door moron guards. That's what I call moron guards who get straps. I've seen some stuff with zip ties there. Come on, guys, spend the damn money and don't be cheap. VIN number right here. Okay, there you go. So these, when you open the door, if you don't know these things, or when you open the door, this big mirror swings open. If you don't have the strap down there, if you're cheap and you zip ties and it snaps, boom, puts a big dent there. So what's under here? Don't know, never look, don't care, don't want to look. The fender flares are equipped with side marker lights, so that way it passes inspection. Clearance lights have to be on the fenders. Brand new dual stage LED projector lights, Angry Birds grill, front hood guard, off-road jack right here, mounted to the hood, LED cube lights with brackets right there, huge front curved LED light bar, Bestop top. I did notice a little bit of leakage, so we put brand new gaskets in the, I'm sorry, we ordered gaskets, brand new gaskets coming in for this side and that side. What else am I saying? The wheels are a set of rugged ridge, 17 by 9, I want to say, wheels, with a set of Thompson Baja MTZ tires. These are a 315 17-inch tire. On the rear, you probably got about 30%. On the front, you probably go about 35%. On the other side, 30%, and so on and so forth. Same side, 30%. Moving on to the front bumper. You got an Aries front bumper with the LED lights incorporated into the grille, Warren winch. And this is a model 8000 M8000S. It's an 8,000-pound winch. There you go. You got, what else? Hood locks on here. While we're at it, under here, I know you guys are excited. I'm going to be kind of quick. We'll pop the hood and show you the power plant. 3.8 liter V6 engine, super clean. All the fluids are up to par. Everything's great. Volant cold air induction system. And that's all there is to see under here. That's clean. How you buckle these up? You latch it and push. How do you buckle these up? You latch it and, whoa, hello. You latch it and push. All right, the answers to the test are right there. There you go, guys. Walking around the backside. Bestop top. I think a damn cat ran over the friggin' thing this morning or yesterday with muddy paws. So there's the top right there. Tinted windows, slanted top. It's got the nice Renegade or whatever you call it, slanted top. The third brake light is incorporated into the back part of the bumper, that little wheel. Full-size spare with brand new tread. Tire carrier, extended tire carrier. Also a third brake light behind here, but you can't adjust that like the new ones you can, barely about an inch. On the rear, oops, I gotta unlock it. Show you guys what's going on. Unlock button, boom. LED taillights, awesome, they really are. And also, for the LED taillights, I took these off for the video. They're the taillight guards, okay? Super nice. How do you buckle that out? That's supposed to be strapped right there, but anywho. This is a seat covers, Bartact seat covers, front to rear. We'll show you guys under here. I'll flip this little hatch up and I'll climb in for you guys. The stuff I do for you guys. Everything you can mount right here. AR-15 magazines to toothpicks and toothbrushes. Whatever you want to mount, it's there for your mounting pleasure. 6-speed manual transmission with 4-wheel drive. And let's go back here. Close this seat and go on to the next. Backup camera. Aftermarket step rails, Nerf bars, whatever you want to call them. Miles, 65,319. 65,319 maintained miles. Super clean, Goodyear all-weather floor mats. Underside is super clean. The seats are in great shape. They're really, really nice, including the seat covers, obviously. You got your rugged ridge mount right there for your suction cup and your phone hook. Backup camera. And that's it, really. I mean, it's a hell of a Jeep. It really is. It's super, super clean. It's not perfect. Obviously, you're not buying it brand new. Get over that. But it is in great shape. It's well above average for this year. Hope you guys like the video. Let me show you how it starts up real quick and I'll show you the backup camera. Okay, in the ignition, neutral. Starts up super nice. Sounds really good. Doors open. Ready? Sounds good. You get a lot of good noise in here. Okay, miles, backup camera. Ready? There you go. Backup camera works great. Cup holders and everything else are in great shape. They really are. So if you got any questions, here's the back seat. If you got any questions, I'm going to put this video to an end. You ready? Check this out. Oh, Bluetooth wire, speakers right there, your microphone, so you can talk Bluetooth. You can talk all that gibberish you guys want to talk. I like how it's been undercoated, rhino lined inside the door jambs, because a lot of people get out of there and rub their feet on the door jam and scratch up the paint. I'm probably forgetting to list a lot more, but it was inspected at our local Safford, Dodge, Fiat, Jeep, and RV dealership directly at the Jeep. Got all the recalls done, got it inspected at our local Jeep dealership. So we know it's good. It's in great shape, runs and drives good, all the gears work good, including reverse. If you guys have any questions or are interested in buying this Jeep, it is for sale right now. You can call 540-898-3025 or visit superiorwholesale.org. Once again, if you're interested in this Jeep, it's going to be priced pretty aggressive for a really good deal. 540-898-3025. Leave a message, ask to speak with Mark if you got any questions. Or you can call me on my work cell phone during hours, 540-848-2974. Hope you guys are doing great. Stay tuned, subscribe, pass the word along. See you later.